So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. And this video would tell you about the multiple job opportunities, the remote, the work from home jobs, as well as the walk-in drives that are happening and the work from office job opportunities. So we are trying to fetch the latest jobs every day, and from those jobs, we'll share the testing jobs with you. So first is the walk-in interview that is going on right now, and it will be there till the 22nd of January. So it is there from 19th to 22nd of January. It has started and it is in Ahmedabad. So they are hiring for QA engineer, 2 to 3 years of experience. The UI UX designer, 4+ years, Merge tech developer, senior Flutter developer, and Android Flutter tech lead. So multiple positions for development and QA are there. So you can apply for this particular position. It's a walk-in drive. You can go to this particular location and your walk-in drive will be scheduled. It is 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. Okay, then there's a remote job opportunity for QA manual tester, software tester, and this is the requirement in which they are looking for 1 to 4 years of experience in functional testing, manual testing, preferably in a tech or a software setting, and should have knowledge of web technologies, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, RESTful APIs. Skills and competences that they are looking is for problem solving. Again, AI background would be a plus. Experience testing AI tools, AI-based features, automation would be a plus point. So you have to share your CV for as with this subject email QA manual tester, software tester, name, years of experience, and you have to send your resume to this particular email address hr@webdev200.com. So there is a company WebDev200 which is hiring for QA manual tester, software tester, remote job. Then KSol's India Limited is hiring for multiple profiles. They are hiring for QA engineer, manual plus automation for the Noida-based location, 3 to 5 years. And if you're interested, you can share your resume along with the details at this particular email address. Okay. Then there is a requirement for interns at Swiffy Labs. So they are looking for AIML intern, backend engineering intern, web engineering intern. So there's a paid internship and the office location is Bangalore. Duration would be 6 months. Now we don't have the email address, but we have got the LinkedIn profile of the HR. You can connect with her. Plus, what I would suggest is go at the company's website, the career portal, and apply from there. You'll get the call for sure. Okay, if you're eligible, you'll get the call. Then there's a requirement for QA engineer. Immediate joiners are preferred, and the experience required is 1.5+ years to 2.5 years. Location is Cochin, Info Park. Local candidates are preferred. Work schedule is Monday to Friday. Alternate Saturdays are working. So they are looking for a QA who can review, analyze system and business requirements, design and execute manual test cases, document and analyze results, validate fixes, and conduct post-release, post-implementation testing. Qualification in any stream with a minimum of 50%, and you can share your resume to this email address. And subject is application for QA engineer, immediate joiner. Okay, then this is Ahmedabad location walk-in drive that we discussed. Then automation testing positions are available in Value Labs organization. The candidate must have primary skill set, automation testing, Selenium, C Sharp or Playwright, API testing, 4+ years, Hyderabad location. And this is the referral email address. You have to connect, you have to share your profile candidature to this referral email address, and you have to mention immediate joiner in the email heading also. Okay. IDFC First Bank is hiring for test engineers, automation plus manual. So the requirement is for a test engineer. Experience required is 2 to 7 years, and it is associate level. Location is Chennai. 15 openings are there. Okay. So what you will do is you'll design, execute test plans for web, mobile, API, and database testing, develop and maintain automation scripts using Selenium, perform functional regression and exploratory testing, validate APIs, end-to-end workflows. Must-have skill set is automation, Selenium with Java, manual functional testing, strong understanding of SDLC and Agile. So this is the link wherein you can apply. I'll put all the links, all the email addresses that are required in the first comment of the video. So don't worry, we'll cover up there itself. Then there's a requirement for a manual tester for Mumbai-based location, and the experience required is 5 years, and the domain is manufacturing. So you should be graduated from the renowned university. Notice period is immediate joiner or up to 7 days. 3 rounds of interviews would be there, two virtual plus one face to face. And these are all the skill set that is required. Manual testing, regression, UAT testing, all of these things are required. So you would be designing, executing, maintaining manual test cases. You will be performing functional system regression testing, participate in test planning, test execution, test closure activities. So if you're interested, you can share your updated resume at this email address. Then there's a requirement for a QA automation engineer, and it's a remote job again. Okay, so they are looking for QA engineer who is having experience of 5 to 10 years. What you will be doing is you will be building and scaling automated UI test with Selenium WebDriver, develop test frameworks in Java, integrate QA into CI/CD pipelines, collaborate with DevOps and product teams. So they are expecting you to have good experience in automation, 5 to 10 years, proficiency in Java, knowledge of NUnit, XUnit, TestNG, familiarity with Git, Docker, Jenkins, Azure DevOps is required, and you can apply at this particular email address. There's a remote job, work from home job. If you will watch today's success story that we have uploaded at 11:30 a.m., you'll get an idea how to get a remote job, how to get the calls, how to get the interviews scheduled. So all of these things are covered in that video. Talent Titan is hiring for QA engineers for the clients, and they are looking for automation testers, API testers, and someone who knows Python. So experience would be 5 plus years, and the shift timings is 2 p.m. to 11 p.m. So you have to mention your current CTC, expected CTC, and notice period. And this is the email address wherein you have to share your resume with the subject line as QA engineer and job opportunity. And 15 to 30 days notice joiners are preferred, and face-to-face interview is mandatory. So don't request for the virtual interview. Sometimes the interviewers feel that let's have face-to-face interviews, right? Then there's a requirement for associate QA engineer in Pune based location, and they're looking for someone who can design, develop, and execute test plans for web and API applications. 1 to 3 years of experience is required. Someone who can build and maintain automated test suites using Playwright with TypeScript, Python, collaborate with product engineering and data teams in an agile environment. So this is what they are looking for. And this is a link wherein you can apply. Right. So all of the links, all of the email addresses would be put in the first comment of the video. So would request every one of you to like, share, and subscribe the channel, and to share this video link the maximum people out there in the network, so that would assist them as well to get the jobs, because the job market is open. Many people are applying for the jobs. They are getting the calls. They are getting the interviews scheduled, and the interviews are being converting into the offer letters. So I would suggest this is the right time. You can apply. You have to prepare. So prepare accordingly and start applying for the job opportunities. Right. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for more updates.